Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You know that feeling when you're just starting out and the world feels full of possibilities, but also a little overwhelming? Like, how do you choose the path, the one that lights you up and sets you up for a life you love? That's what we're diving into today. In this video, we are talking about how to choose your career, not just based on passion, which is super important, don't get me wrong, but with a clear focus on success, stability, and financial growth. Whether you're dreaming of a stable job, looking to build a rich and abundant life, or even if you're struggling financially but have big goals for studying and creating a future you're proud of, we've got you covered. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and get ready for some serious aha moments. Stay with me till the end for some life-changing insights that could totally transform your future. All right, let's kick things off with the most important ingredient in this whole success recipe, you. Before you even start exploring different career paths, we need to get crystal clear on what really matters to you. Think of it like this. Your career is not a one-size-fits-all situation. It's about designing a life that aligns with your values, your dreams, and yes, your definition of success. So, let's dig in with some soul-searching questions. First things first. What does success even mean to you? Is it about having a stable job with a steady paycheck? Or is it about financial freedom where money is no longer a source of stress? Maybe it's about making a difference in the world, having flexibility and freedom in your work, or being creatively fulfilled. There are no right or wrong answers here, my friend. Next, think about your priorities. Do you crave stability and security? If so, fields like healthcare, education, and government jobs are known for their stability. They might not make you a millionaire overnight, but they offer a sense of security and a reliable income. On the other hand, if you're driven by the idea of building wealth and abundance, careers in technology, business, finance, and entrepreneurship tend to offer more opportunities for those willing to hustle, innovate, and take calculated risks. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Marie, I'm passionate about learning and growing, but I can barely afford rent, let alone a fancy degree. And to that, I say, don't you dare let financial obstacles hold you back from your dreams. We're going to dive into some seriously creative and practical solutions a little later in this video. Now that you're clear on your priorities, let's talk about which fields are booming right now. Because let's be real, choosing a career with high demand not only gives you job security, but also the potential to earn serious cash. First up, we've got the tech world, which is basically like the cool kids table these days. Fields like artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity are exploding with opportunities. If you're even remotely tech-savvy or love the idea of diving into the digital world, this is where the future is at. Next, we have healthcare, a field that will always be relevant because, well, people will always need doctors, nurses, and brilliant minds to keep them healthy. Plus, it's a career path known for its stability and impact. Now, if you're a numbers whiz with a knack for finances, the world of business and finance is calling your name. Investment banking, financial advising, or even starting your own business can lead to incredible financial success. Just be prepared to put in the work and embrace a bit of risk-taking. And let's not forget about the planet. As the world shifts towards sustainability, fields like renewable energy engineering are bursting with potential. So if you're passionate about the environment and want to be part of a growing industry, this could be your jam. Remember, choosing a high-scope field is like investing in your future self. It's about positioning yourself for success in a world that's constantly evolving. Let's talk about a biggie: stability versus wealth. This is a decision point where you really get to design the kind of life you want to live. If you thrive on predictability, security, and having a clear routine, a career path that prioritizes stability might be your jam. Think government jobs, teaching, or healthcare. These fields might not make you rich overnight, but they offer a sense of security, work-life balance, and often some pretty sweet benefits. On the flip side, if you're a go-getter who dreams of building wealth, financial freedom, and maybe even buying that dream beach house, careers like entrepreneurship, real estate, or stock market trading are where it's at. But here's the deal. These paths require a high tolerance for risk, a whole lot of hustle, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. The key here is to be honest with yourself about your risk tolerance and what truly motivates you. There's no judgment here, my friend. Whether you crave the comfort of stability or the thrill of building wealth, the most important thing is that you choose a path that aligns with your values and your vision for your life. Chapter 4: Gaining Financial Freedom, Your Roadmap to Riches. Okay, let's talk about that dream of financial freedom, shall we? Because who doesn't love the idea of having abundance, choices, and the ability to live life on your own terms? Here's the truth bomb. Achieving financial freedom isn't about winning the lottery or marrying rich, although hey, no judgment here. It's about building valuable skills that are in high demand and making smart choices with your money. So, how do you actually do that? Well, for starters, get comfortable with the world of finance. Learn about investing, explore the stock market, or even dip your toes into real estate. Knowledge is power, my friend, and understanding how money works is the first step to making it work for you. Next, consider diving into fields like software development, digital marketing, or even starting an online business. These industries are booming, and the beauty is, you can often learn the ropes online, build your skills, and start earning income without a fancy degree or a ton of upfront investment. But here's the thing about building wealth. It requires taking calculated risks, being smart with your choices, and having a whole lot of hustle. It's not always easy, but trust me, the rewards are so worth it. Now, let's talk about those of you who are passionate about learning and growing. But maybe your bank account isn't exactly overflowing with cash. You are not alone. Financial limitations don't have to hold you back from achieving your dreams. First up, let's talk scholarships and grants. Tons of organizations offer financial assistance. We're talking merit-based, need-based, and field-specific scholarships. Do your research, check out websites like scholarship.com and fastweb.com, and apply for everything you can. Next, let's talk about online education. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Khan Academy, and Udemy offer incredible courses. Many of these courses are either completely free or super affordable, making high-quality education accessible to anyone with an internet connection. If you like to learn by doing and earn money, freelancing might be your new best friend. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses with talented freelancers. It's a fantastic way to gain real-world experience, build your portfolio, and start generating income while honing your skills. Here's a secret to choosing a career that will stand the test of time. Focus on growth potential. It's not enough to just get a job. You want to choose a field that's going to be in demand for years to come, a field that's constantly evolving and offering new opportunities for growth. Think of it like this. You're not just choosing a job, you're investing in your future self. So ask yourself, what industries are poised for massive growth in the next 5, 10, even 20 years? Well, we've already talked about the tech world, which is basically like the Energizer Bunny of industries, constantly growing and evolving. But beyond that, think about fields like renewable energy, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and even digital marketing. These are industries that are only going to become more important as technology advances and the world changes. But here's the thing about growth. It's not just about choosing the right industry, it's about having a growth mindset. It's about being a lifelong learner, constantly seeking out new knowledge, skills, and challenges. Because the truth is, the most successful people are the ones who are always evolving, always adapting, and always striving to be a little bit better today than they were yesterday. Okay, my friend, we've covered a lot today, from identifying your priorities and researching high-growth fields to exploring options for funding your education and adopting a growth mindset. Now, let's bring it all together with the most important piece of advice I can give you. Balance your passion with practicality. Passion is important. It fuels you and makes hard work worth it. But passion doesn't always pay the bills. The reality is, it takes strategy. Be honest about your skills, interests, and the job market. If your passion isn't known for earning potential, that's okay. Incorporate your passion into your work life, even if it's not your main gig. For example, pursue a career in graphic design if you love art. It's in high demand and offers great earning potential. Or explore content marketing if you love writing and business. Get creative, think outside the box, and merge your passions with practical skills. Create a career you love and a life you're proud of. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to choosing your career based on stability, scope, and financial growth, even if you don't have money right now. Remember, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Invest in your education, invest in your skills, and invest in your dreams. Don't let financial obstacles hold you back. There are always ways to learn and grow, even on a budget. Get creative, explore your options, and remember, where there's a will, there's always a way. Let me know in the comments what career you're aiming for, and if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, stay focused and stay successful.